Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. I usually make videos about guitar, but today I want to talk about an app that's for the computer. Um, Maybe you want to record a presentation or videos. You can post it on YouTube or your social media account, or just do something creative. Uh, of course, you can set up your phone always, but if you want to use the resources that the computer has, you can just put your phone in and do it like that. So this is an alternative. So just an extra tool that you might have. This is not the industry standard. It's not even the like uh, YouTube standard. Like people use OBS and other apps, but this is a good alternative. It's very simple to use, and also it's free. That's another great thing. So if you have a Logitech camera, and I'm not sure if this works with other cameras, maybe it does. So there's an app called Logi Streamcam. You're seeing it right now. What you're seeing right now is the app right now. I have a C922 Pro String webcam, as you can see here in the left. You can do the frame rate, adjust the exposure. By the way, the app's kind of buggy, so it quits unexpectedly sometimes. But I mean, the other apps sometimes they come up with bugs and like updates mess it up your setup sometimes. So it's also good to have a backup to those other apps. So you can choose to have autofocus or auto white balance, image settings, change that. I will advise to just do that with a different app and just have it set up here so you don't get all the quitted on you and stuff. You have a second source right here. In this case, I'm using Safari as my second source, and this is where I say that it's usually kind of buggy because the Safari, when I was trying to do it on Safari first, the app will crash on me, and I will have to like start it all over again. Then it worked out with like Google Chrome, and then I say, why not Safari now? It crashed with Google Chrome, by the way, afterwards. So that's another thing. Here you can either add the watermark that says Logi in here or Logi. I don't know why would you choose to do that. I mean, usually people pay to remove watermarks, but it's there for whatever reason. That's the text overlay. So you will write in here, let's say, and then you will have the text here in your video, and it'll last for the amount of time that you set up here. So right now I put it for so you put it for forever. It'll stay there all the time. Of course, I'm not Stevie Ray Vaughan. Let me just write Alex in here. All right, or Straddle Alex for that matter. All right. So because I'm not signed up to the account and I'm not paying nothing. I don't know if they have like a paid subscription or something. I hope they don't. But I'm not signing in and nothing. You don't have to. I don't have other options. I only have one style of texting, but you can change the colors as you can see here. You can do purple, red, orange, green. Right. You see? You can change the background. Like a big stripe of background. So if you want to do it like that, look kind of professional, I guess, or whatever, you can choose to do that. I'd rather not have a background at all. I forgot how you do that. There you go. This one here. Alignment, again, I can't change it because I'm not signed in or whatever. And there's the scene effects. You can turn it off completely. Where did it went to? Or you can switch them. But I mean, the only effect that I have right now on the filters is this one, and you can choose to either do it for scene 1 or scene 2. So if I choose this one, I will have to assign it to whatever source I want to do. In this case, it said this camera on another camera. So I don't think that looks good at all. So unless you're in a very dark place recording, I wouldn't know why would you choose this. So I'm gonna remove it. Thank you. Also, you can choose borders. Again, and you gotta assign which scene, which source you want to do. So this is the like the border here. Maybe you think it looks better like this. It might. Also, if you have things that are like if you want to take them out of the shot and by a little or whatever, you can add this. It looks pretty good, and it'll be out of the way. So you can change the colors on this too to your delight. I kind of like that one. Let's see. Maybe it goes with what you have in the back. Like for example, I used to have lights, but you can see that strip right here. Right here. It broke down. It's not working anymore. So instead of having that light, this might give it a little more, ambience, I guess. All right. So you see different ones. Right. And this will be the size. Right. You adjust the size here. I'll choose not to include it. You know what? I'm going to put it on source 2. So when we go to source 2 over here, you'll see it here, right? It says Strato Alex, and it says the markings right here, right? Okay. Where were we? Here. Okay. All right. And there's transitions. And how do we transition to the other shot? But because, again, I'm not signed in, I only get this one if I want to transition at all. Right. So that's that. Okay. So here you either choose full HD or the other resolutions they have here. How many FPSs? Where do you want the media recorded? Here you choose your inputs. And this is my phone, my microphone, the Yeti Nano. The webcam has its own microphone, but I'm not picking it. But if that's the only thing you have, that's the only thing you have. It is what it is. So where it says Alt here, you get some shortcuts. You have to open system preferences. I'm not gonna do that now to like change them or whatever. You can change here to your heart's desire or just use the ones they have already. And again, this is the setting. I guess you can change different settings depending on what you want to do. Log in. I haven't logged in. Oh, and now I want you to see here on the bottom, right here where the point is, you can change to different settings. Like here, you will have source 2, which in this case is the Instagram page. And I can go to Instagram here and just maneuver Instagram, right? Without having to broadcast what I'm doing in the computer, right? So it's a great tool if you want to do any type of content that you want to read from a script, or you want to talk about something on the internet. You can also use other apps. It doesn't have to be Safari. I'm not taking a screenshot of this. This is taking the app by itself. You can also do the screen, which I'm not gonna do that now because I have this app and then it'll look like this in an infinite way and probably crash. I'm trying to get away from that. So here you see another option is that I'm on screen now and the website is over there. And then if you want people to see you while you react to the website or whatever. Oh, look, an overdrive pedal. Oh, look, Corey Wong. So yeah, there's another one here, which is now your camera. The source 1 is big and source 2 is smaller. Okay. Again, it can also be 2 cameras instead of the app, right? Side by side, the other side by side. Right. I think this will work better for this because you can scroll like this. And you look in a better frame than in the other side, right? All right, going back to this. So let's see the transitions. I'm gonna activate transition here. Okay, and now let's change to the whoop. You see, now it's doing the transition. Again, this one. See? Just Instagram by itself. And here I am again. All right. So let me try to see if it goes to, if I can pick, instead of Instagram, I want to pick a second camera that I have here. There we go. So this is in the middle, which is a monitor that I have right now. But if I move the monitor down, you can still see it a little bit, but now I'm here, right? And now I can like pick up a guitar. I think this one is auto tune though. And I can like, whoosh. So you can do guitar videos if you want to do this, and then change to camera one, which now froze on me, right? That's not the app. The camera sometimes does that to me. I don't know what's wrong with it. You see? So yeah, that's that. And because that camera froze on me, I'm going to continue on this one. All right, so let's change the border to nothing. And let's change to 10 seconds. And you'll see that it will fade away. The name Strato Alex over there. I'm waiting for you. It's supposed to leave. There you go. It vanished away. So let's leave it there. Okay, so yeah. I mean, I think it's a great tool. It's a really cool app. I'll definitely try to do more stuff with it because sometimes, I mean, I got my OBS set up. I'm recording the window with OBS right now. But this app seems to be lighter. And it seems to be, remember to look at it this way. And it seems to be simpler to use, like in a pinch. So I'll definitely check it out and try to do more content with it, probably. And appreciate if you watch this and you appreciate this content, give it a like. If you didn't like it, thank you for watching it. But give a dislike, do something. Put something in the comments whether you like it. If you like content like this that teaches you stuff that you could use for, you know, your guitar recordings or whatever else, pretty much. Put it in the comments, give any suggestions, and appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.